competency-based welding program that we built here is for students who want to get into welding and maybe do it faster and work at their own pace. It's also geared towards those who have full-time jobs, where we can have the lab available for those people who want to learn more and be able to further their career.
We spend most of our time out in the lab, actually hands-on learning, and all the instructors are very well with us teaching. If we have any questions, everybody feels comfortable asking instructors for help. Like, this is all a learning experience for everybody.
All the stuff we do in the lab is training kids to be able to pass and weld the tests that they're going to need to get the jobs.
Going into trades is a very good thing. You can make a lot of money in trades. You're out there doing the work, getting your hands dirty, being very interactive with what you're doing.
If you are a go-getter, if you're highly motivated and learn quickly, then the competency-based might be a good fit for you, because this way you get to work at your own speed. At Shawnee Community College, our competency-based welding program has your schedule, our support, and your success in mind.